Share with your partner something that you wrote in your L column that you learned.
I know.
An
I
elephant
learned
skin
that an elephant has 13
Wow.
feet.
Elephants
What did you learn?
have 12.
Cool.
What's about what we learned with Toby? Toby, what did
Okay.
you learn today?
I learned that elephants can grow up to about 13 feet.
Wow.
Oh. How big is 13 feet? Our ceiling is only 8 feet, so they
Big
can
as
be
the
taller than our ceiling.
big eyes of Zion
Wait.
Hall.
Their height is 13 feet or their length?
They're as tall as 13 feet.
Well, they can be.
Right.
That's the tallest
Probably
recorded.
the males, right? How about you, Isaiah? What's something you put in your L column?
Skin, elephant skin are covered in papilli.
What is that?
I'm pretty sure it's what's on top of your tongue.
Oh, like little bumps. Oh, thank you.
Yeah,
Okay.
they're sensitive bumps.
Uh-huh. What is something you learned, Ezra, that you put in your L column?
Chunks.
What about their chunks?
Chunks then can pick up food.
Their chunks can pick up food. What else can their chunks do? That's not okay. Please fix your shirt.
They can hold water.
They can hold water. Their trunk is kind of like a straw. They use their nose and they suck up the water and then they squirt it into their mouth and swallow it.
That's disgusting.
It's pretty neat.
It's
What, you know what else I heard about their trunks? They have like a finger. And the Asian elephants have one finger, like, and then this part's just round, and then the African elephants have like 2 fingers. So they can even pick up something small, not just only big things. Okay, well now, we did some group work. We talked with our neighbor and did some partner
Neighbor?
work. The person you're sitting next to. So now, you each get to choose an assignment to show me what you really learned about elephants, okay? And you have 3 choices, okay? The first choice is, hold on. Well, first of all, I would like it if you can, in whichever choice you make, I want you to compare Asian elephants and African elephants, okay? There's actually more than just Asian and African elephants. There's 2 kinds of African elephants. I have a paper here. Let me pull it up. There is there are the African bush elephant, okay? And then there is also the African forest elephant, okay? So there's 2 main kinds of elephants. What are the 2 main kinds of elephants? African and Asian. African elephants live in Africa. Asian elephants live in Asia. Okay. Now, when we're over here in Africa, I should have gotten a map. Oh, let me get a map. I have it right here. Okay. Here's the world map. It's a little bit messy. Okay. Who can tell me where Asia is? Is this Asia?
No.
Is this Asia?
Yes.
Okay, this is India, and this would be Southeast Asia. So like this part, not up here. It's way too cold. But down here.
Europe.
Okay. And then where is Africa? Is this Africa, Ezra?
No, that's Iceland.
Is that Africa?
Yeah.
Is this Africa?
Yeah.
Look at the shape of Africa. It kind of looks like an elephant ear. See how it's kind of like a triangle?
Let's like
Yeah. So African and African elephants, there's 2 kinds. There's a bush elephant and a forest elephant. So now you're going to do a project. Okay, I'll wait until everyone's focused. you're going to choose a project. You have your choice between 3 different projects. Let me write down what is the choice of your projects.
I want to color it.
Hold on. You have 3 choices, okay? So, number 1. So number 1, you can write a report, okay? I have already printed from Encyclopedia Britannica several different articles about elephants, okay? So you can choose 1 or 2 articles about elephants or specific kinds of elephants, and you can write like a report and tell me some details. If you choose this, then depending on your age, I will tell you how big to make your report. Your second choice is you can write a children's book about elephants. Okay, you can choose to write a book about elephants. So then, if you wrote a book, how would writing a book be different aside than writing a report? Especially a report would be like for a grown-up to read, and a children's book would be for a kid to read. What would be the difference between those two, Isaiah?
A report tells you all of the facts. It's no nonsense. It's nonfiction. And a children's book can be fiction, and it can be fun to read.
Okay, so it should be fun to read and simpler, right? And probably you should put some pictures. And here's your third choice. Toby, please sit up. You can draw and label pictures of the 2 main types of elephants. Okay, so your third choice is you can draw a picture of the 2 different kinds of elephants, and I have here some pictures that give a reference. There was even more things mentioned in the video, so if you wrote other details, you can add that to your drawing. Okay, so you can draw the 2 elephants and then label their different parts, especially emphasizing which things are different.
Is there more photos of those?
Yes. Oh, that's okay. I can get that later. There was something else I was gonna say, but I forgot. Do you guys have any questions?
No.
Okay.
Do we have to do these?
Yes. All right. So, no questions. Does everyone know which one they want to do?
Yes.
I want to draw them off pictures.
Okay.
I want to draw little pictures too.
No.
Okay. I thought there was something else. Oh, I remember. After you choose which one and after you work on it, I'll be walking around if anyone needs help. If they need help reading or understanding a word that they're not sure or spelling. And then also if you choose the one, well, for any of these, we're going to work together at the end and we're going to collaborate one more time. So you're going to take whatever you made for your project, share it with your neighbor, and say, please look at this and let me know if there's anything I can improve. Okay? Even if it's a drawing, I saw this really amazing video, I'll have to show it to you, about a young boy, maybe a first grader, who's drawing a picture of a butterfly. And he drew a pretty standard picture of a butterfly for a first grader. And then he kept going back to his peers and saying, what do you think? Does this match what the butterfly looks like that I'm trying to copy? And each time his friends very kindly said, you know, good job, but maybe fix this part. Okay, so he'd fix it. And then they'd say, that's good, now maybe fix this part. And by the end of it, the one he was able to draw was really amazing because his friends helped him see what little specific details they could fix to make it better. So we're gonna work on that too, okay? Our first draft is not our last draft. Whether it's a report, a story, or a drawing, we're gonna share it with each other to get feedback. What do you think? What can I improve? Okay?
Teacher.
All right, I'm gonna pause the video and then you guys can get to work.
Wait, what?